Hi, welcome to Moon Info. I'm Faizi and with me is Mr. Rajput. Before start the video, please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will learn more about this code. Are you ready? Let's start. Today, we're going to continue from the last session about the body parts. Thigh, in Malay, paha. I repeat, paha.
Ran,
Pour, in Malay, pori. Pori.
Masam,
Gulat, in Malay, halkum. I repeat, halkum.
Halak,
Intestine, in Malay, usus. Usus.
Ant,
Small intestine, usus kecil. I repeat, in Malay, usus kecil.
Choti Ant,
If you want us to teach you more, make sure subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Large intestine, in Malay, usus besar. I repeat, usus besar.
Badi Ant,
Heart, in Malay, jantung. Jantung.
Dil,
Joint, in Malay, sendi. Sendi.
Jod,
Ribs, in Malay, ruso. I repeat, ruso.
Pasliyan,
Hips, in Malay, punggung. I repeat, punggung.
Kole.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.